The neonatal period is from birth to 2 weeks of age. At birth, puppies are blind, deaf, and toothless. The puppies first experience the sensation of being petted when washed by their mother's tongue. The mother licks her puppies all over to keep them and the nest clean. From birth, puppies are able to use their sense of smell and touch, which helps them root about the nest to find their mother and also milk. For the first 2 weeks of life, puppies sleep 90% of the time, spending their awake time nursing. Somebody's trying to get out. He thinks his mommy's over on this side. Today, we're going to test to see if their ears are actually starting to open. Getting pretty good on those legs. Oh, okay, let's test ears open. Are you guys doing something down there? What are the baby puppies doing? Huh? What are the baby puppies doing? Huh? Where are you guys? Are you awake yet? Oh, you're awake. You're awake. Oh my. Oh my, look at you. Oh, goodness, you are talking. Imagine being deaf and all of a sudden one day your ear canal opens and you can hear. I think they bark because they're startled at the sound. Hello, baby puppies. Did you see those heads turn? Look at that one with the tail, that's so cute. Whoa! You guys talking? Huh? You guys talking? Whoa! Whoa! Oh, I hear you. I do. You guys are pretty tough. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna sneak up on the baby puppies and show you that their ears are open. And then we're going to make a little noise. Oh, I'm not showing you the puppies, sorry. I was so busy watching them, I forgot to take the video. There we go. They're awake. Good morning, baby puppies. Good morning, baby puppies. There. There they go. There those wild children are. There's a wild children. Yeah, that a girl, Katie. Go ahead. Go ahead, get in with your babies. Never ceases to amaze me how she can do that. That is really good. Do you realize how hard it would be to get into a whelping box with 4 legs and not step on any of your 10 puppies? She's incredible. There. All right. Oh, Kitty's gonna find a good spot to lay down in. Kitty found one. Now. Newborns aren't able to support their body weight, and they crawl about with paddling motions of their front legs. The limited locomotion provides the exercise that develops muscles and coordination. And soon the puppies are trying to stand on all 4 legs. The key word here is try to stand on all four legs.